5 AI tools. You have not heard of any of them. But after this video, you will not be able to stop using them. Let me show you. Screenpipe. It records everything you do on your computer. Every tab you open, every meeting you attend, every message you type. All stored locally on your device. Then you search it with AI. What was that website I visited on Tuesday? Screenpipe finds it. What did my coworker say in that Zoom call last week? Screenpipe has the transcript. No cloud. No subscription. Completely open source. 16,000 stars on GitHub. People call it the Rewind replacement that actually works. Rewind got acquired and killed their product. Screenpipe stepped in and made it free forever. It runs on Mac, Windows, and Linux. You can even build AI agents on top of your own screen data. One user said, I found a conversation from 3 weeks ago in 4 seconds. That is not a productivity tool. That is a superpower. Fabric. Created by Daniel Miessler. Open source framework with over 200 AI prompt patterns. You pipe a YouTube video into it and run one command. Extract wisdom. It pulls out the top ideas, key quotes, and actionable recommendations in seconds. Not a summary, a structured breakdown. There are patterns for everything. Analyze a security threat, rate content quality, write an essay, summarize an article. Almost 300 patterns built by developers worldwide. 40,000 GitHub stars. The secret: scaffolding beats model intelligence. Claude's cheapest model with the right fabric pattern outperforms its most expensive model without one. Works with every major AI. OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, even local models through Ollama. Completely free. Dify drag and drop AI app builder. You want a chatbot that answers questions from your documents? Drag in a knowledge base, connect a language model, deploy. Done. No code. You want an AI agent that scrapes the web, summarizes results, and posts to Slack, wire it up visually. Deploy. Done. 114,000 GitHub stars. One of the most starred AI projects ever created. Supports every model. OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, Llama, Mistral. Self-hosted for free or use their cloud. The free tier gives you 200 messages and 5 apps. Enough to build something real. Tech reviewers call the Dify plus N8N plus Ollama stack the best self-hosted AI automation combo right now. Emergent.sh. Describe an app in plain English. Multiple AI agents start building it. One handles the code. One handles the design. One handles testing. One handles deployment. You get a full stack application, not a prototype. A real product with authentication, database, file storage, and Stripe payments. 1.5 million users across 180 countries. 2 million apps built. Reddit communities keep recommending it when someone asks, how do I ship something real, not just a demo? Free tier gives you 5 credits per month, enough to test it. Product Hunt launch got 600 upvotes. Kombai. Give it a Figma design. It gives you production-ready React code. Pixel perfect. Not the messy code that other tools generate. Clean, structured, responsive components. It handles complex layouts, nested elements, even email HTML. Benchmarks show it beats general-purpose AI coding tools at this specific task. Front-end developers say it cuts their design to code time by 90%. Free during the preview period. If you design in Figma and code in React, this saves you hours every single week. 5 tools. None of them are mainstream yet. All of them are free to start. Subscribe. I find these before they blow up.